Today I'm going to share with you how to adjust the energy saving modes on your panel. For some of you, you may have a black screen that appears after inactivity. To adjust the settings, touch the settings button in the top right hand corner. From there, you will select power on/off setting. From there, select energy saving. As you can see on the screen, it is asking me how many minutes I want to wait until it will turn off due to inactivity. If I select 60 minutes and there's no activity on the panel for 60 minutes, it will automatically turn off. If I select never, the panel will not turn off due to inactivity. Instead, if I want to turn it off, I will have to manually select with the power button in the bottom left-hand corner. That is how you can adjust the energy saving settings on your panel.